Good noon, everyone, compañeros, compañeras. This is El Caminero of Borongan City. Now, we will explore La Luna Beach Resort and Gusam Beach Resort. This is located in Sulangan, Barangay Sulangan, Giwan, Eastern Samar. This is now, I am now on La Luna Beach Resort. As you can see, we have the, this is La Luna Beach Resort. We'll get inside. As you know, there are two parts. We have on the beach side, and the other one on the upper is the restroom. This one here. We will explore. This is now the facade of the La Luna front building. You can see so many ornamental plants. Later on, we will go to the beach, the seaside beach, still the La Luna parts. Continue exploring the main building of La Luna Beach Resort. This is and Barangay Sulangan, Giwan, Eastern Samar. Let's move on to the back view, the back view of this building. This is the back view of the main building of La Luna Beach Resort. I am sure ahead is the parking area over there. The dirty kitchen, can we see? Let's move ahead to the parking area. This is now their parking area located at the back of the main building. Yes, we have a wide parking area here. So their engine, in case of brownout, they have a service engine over there. Okay, we will move to the other side in front of the building on the seashore. We will explore. In my left side is the other resort, the Gusam Beach Resort. Later on, I will bring you there. So, on the other side, we will go to the beach. We are now on the road, the main road that you can use going to this area of these beaches of Giwan, Sulangan, Eastern Samar. So we'll get inside so that we can access the views of the resort, La Luna Beach Resort. We'll get inside now. Okay, we can see clearly the setup of the front side beach of La Luna. Let's go ahead. Let's move forward, exploring the La Luna Beach front along the sea coast of Sulangan, Eastern Samar, Giwan. At the front is the Pacific Ocean. And they have their small swimming pool in front of their main building of La Luna Beach Resort. You can enjoy swimming here. Hello, my friends over there from Eastern Samar. This is El Caminero. Please like my video, please, to have like and share. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, sir and moms. I am trying to make my video.
Oh, nice. What's your channel?
Sir?
What is your channel?
I have my YouTube, El Caminero, the Roadman. Trying. at the age of 65, trying to be with the young people.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. The road man.
I am from Borongan City, Mr. Kainday, the roadman, El Caminero.
Okay, I'll find you.
Okay, we are finished inside the La Luna Beach Resort, and I think on the other side I will go to Gusam. Beside this building of La Luna, we will go outside. I will bring you there. We will turn to the right so that we can access the view of the Gusam Beach Resort. This is still in Giyuan, Barangay Sulangan, Eastern Samar. This is the main road of going to these places, these beaches. So we only have to explore 2 beaches and these areas located in Barangay Sulangan along the sea coast, Pacific Ocean. We try to get inside of their premises. This is their signboard. Gusam Beach Resort. Okay, I will bring you inside. Hello, my friend. I am trying to have my video. You're from Borongan. Yeah, we were friends before, but now see now.
Let's go.
Let's go. Good afternoon. Good noon.
Good morning, sir.
This is El Caminero, the roadman. YouTube channel El Caminero. Kita mo atano, kita mo parada mo. Pero di nakita him dito. Hello, my friends from Giyuan, Sulangan.
Yes. Borongan
Gusam Beach Resort.
Gusam.
Gusam Resort.
Bisita kayo.
Gusam.
Are you Mister?
Yeah.
Gusam Beach Resort.
Gin pa nga istorya ko na. Thank you.
Thank you.
El Caminero. The roadman kumbaga. Pero El Caminero kay Espanyol. Thank you very much. Oh, hey, they have their swimming pool in front of their cottages. Let's explore. Ha? Ato kakuan ha. Kalikuan. Anhi, ada tidak? Aklin nili na yun.
Para ma-kuan gamit yung kuan ano eh.
Viewers?
Para sa magpapasalamat yung kuan hindi, di ba?
Oo. Ako naman introduce tidak?
Oo.
Thank you. Let's go ahead. Moving to the...
Kaya kadanuli ko din eh. Kadanuli.
Oh, no. Thank you. Kung ngayon ka na po pirma at...
Oo. Hindi pa na po pirma.
Okay. We have cottages and Gusam cottages that you can occupy when you happen to be here in Barangay Sulangan Giwan. So you can choose cottages here. They are so very clean and comfortable. Good afternoon, sir. Good noon. I'm trying to have my video to be uploaded in this in the YouTube. And we have the reception area. Gusam reception area. Good afternoon, my friends. This is now the reception. A shared virtue for Gusam. I happen to be here in Samar Giwan, Barangay Sulangan. This is Gusam Beach Resort. I think this is their reception area. The first time I've here, I did here. In front is the swimming pool. Okay, we have also 60 balls in front. So you can choose if you want to take your time to here. Some visitors are coming. Good noon, madam. Good afternoon, good noon, sir. Trying to have a short video in this Gusam. My YouTube channel is El Caminero.
El Caminero.
You are from?
Tacloban.
I am from Borongan, but I am residing in Tacloban now. Kasi kanila kami yan. Sir, thank you.
Thank you.
Rooms available in Gusam Beach Resorts. This is a story small building. Okay, you will go around. Another structure second structure located at the back of the main building. The third structure you have here, third room. And we have the fourth. Going to the fifth building inside the Gosam compound. My previous teacher, Sir Bahado. I will bring you to the YouTube, sir. Good afternoon. Good noon. I am nagbibidyo, sir. Kanan ko an linagas-lagas kay ay napipila ka bata pa na, sir. Nag-YouTube ba ako? May ka na, sir, ano? The reserve engine, in case of brownout, they have the reserve engine over there. Generator. We'll go to the front, to the seaside, front side of this beach along the we call it seashore. They have their comfort room. It's a very clean comfort room. There and the other side cottages. Go outside. Ahead, you're looking ahead is the French beach of Gosam Beach Resort. We will try to bring you there down. Very clean, so very clean water. Okay. I'll be back to my... Thank you very much for watching my video. Until my next upload, I invite you to watch El Caminero, my YouTube name. El Caminero de Roadman. So goodbye everyone. Thank you.